And dried fruit is a really great option because you can get some fruit packed with vitamins and minerals, and it's shelf stable. You don't have to refrigerate it. These are really good. These dried Tufolo mangoes. These are organic for $4.99. Okay, my husband loves these garlic and onion pistachios for $6.99. These are nuts and they're fun to eat. So let's get some of these as a fun snack. Okay, tomatoes are a great snack. These are $2.99 Del Cabo organic tomatoes. So let's get some of these as well. Okay, I'm gonna get some organic hummus. These are $2.99. Usually I like to make my own hummus, but I don't have time for that before we leave. So I'm just gonna get 2 of these to go with the hummus wraps and as dips. Okay, we're gonna do some chips and salsa. So let's get this. This is new mango pineapple pico de gallo salsa. This is packed with fruit and onions and cilantro, and it's $3.99 for a limited time here at Trader Joe's. Okay, these are really good. These avocados number guacamole. It's $4.99 for 2 packs of guacamole. This will be really delicious with chips. Okay, this is $5.49. It's a mango Hikima slaw with lime mango vinaigrette. This will be good as a nice salad for some crunchy, hydrating deliciousness. And all of these salads are perfect for lunches, so I'm gonna get some of these so that we don't have to spend money on lunches while we're out. I think I'm gonna get one of these peanut udon because this is vegan. And then I'm also gonna get this chickpea kale salad because this is also vegan. And this is packed with kale, so that's great. And here's another salad. It's $4.49. It's a super spinach salad. This is also vegan, so I'm gonna get one of these. All right, and then all of these like prepared fruits are perfect for fruit snacks, and you don't have to cut them up, which is why I'm gonna get some of these today. I'm gonna get some mango, fresh cut mango, and oh, grapes. Let's get some of these green seedless grapes. These are organic for $6.49 for 2 pounds. All right, and then these little mini sweet peppers are $3.99, and they're organic. And I'm gonna get these because you don't have to cut these up. You could just start biting into them, and they're great with hummus. And they're packed with vitamin A and all kinds of vitamins and minerals. And cucumbers are super hydrating. These are $2.99 for organic virgin cucumbers. These are perfect. You don't have to cut these up, and they will go great with hummus and guacamole.